This is not a drill. This is embarrassing, this is dangerous, and this is unprecedented because tonight, Washington is facing one of its most shocking cyber scares in years. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Yatri, and here's what's happening. Madhu Gotumukala, America's acting security chief, he is now under intense scrutiny. Why? Allegations are flying that he uploaded highly sensitive government documents into ChatGPT. Yes, official classified US government files into a public AI platform. Now pause and imagine this for a moment. Critical security information, intelligence report, potential war plans, who knows? All of it possibly exposed, floating in the digital world. And this comes just as tensions with Iran, they are boiling right before what analysts are calling a possible conflict window. The fallout? Immediate and dramatic, by the way. The Department of Homeland Security has launched an internal investigation. Questions? They are spreading. How secure is government data in the age of AI? Could this leak compromise national defense? Are adversaries now aware of the US operational plan? Well, experts warn that this could rival past cyber embarrassment like the Houthi attack plan that was leaked across Signal chat in 2023. You know why this is so serious? Because the timing matters. The US is already on high alert for threats in the Middle East. Military assets are moving, naval deployment are increasing. And now a cyber lab, it threatens to undermine it all. Intelligence insiders say that this type of leak, it can be very dangerous. Well, it can have anything. Enemies can adjust tactic based on the exposed data. Diplomatic negotiations, they can be weakened. Confidence in the US cybersecurity, it is already under strain, but now it is shaken. Some are even calling this the most embarrassing cyber lapse in recent US history. And in the meantime, questions about AI risk, they are exploding. Can ChatGPT or other AI platforms be trusted with sensitive information? Who monitors how government employees interact with AI tools, and how quickly can this be contained before adversaries act on the data? Well, the answers are murky and the time is running out. But here's the story's backdrop. Just weeks ago, leaks of war plan like the Houthi Signal chat incident, it showcased how a single breach can endanger lives and compromise strategy. Now, a high-ranking cybersecurity official is at the center of a similar storm. The bigger picture, it is alarming. A nation depends not just on one missile or ship, but on the information security. And if intelligence is exposed, even the most powerful military, it is all vulnerable. So tonight, Washington is asking, how did this happen? Can the damage be reversed? And most importantly here, could this leak push the US closer to the conflict with Iran? Because in geopolitics, timing is everything, and mistakes like this rarely go unnoticed by adversaries. So, here we have a cyber lapse, classified document in the wrong place, and tensions riding in the Middle East. It's a perfect storm of embarrassment, danger, and global stakes. And for the active US cybersecurity chief, the scrutiny is just beginning. The world is watching and the clock is ticking.